Welcome back to my channel. If you want to play Android games on your Windows PC smoothly without lag, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you a simple and effective method to run mobile games on your PC with better performance and controls. Just keep in mind, this method is mainly for Android games only and not all Android apps, so it works best for gaming. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss more helpful tutorials like this. Now, let's get started. First of all, right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. From the left side, open the Performance option. Here, you will see the virtualization status. If it is enabled, then that's great and you are good to go. But if it is disabled, you will need to enable it first. To enable virtualization, restart your PC and enter the BIOS menu by pressing your BIOS key. For my PC, it is the F10 key, but if that doesn't work for you, you can also try F2 or the escape key, depending on your system. Once you are inside the BIOS, look for the option called virtualization. The name of this setting can vary depending on your motherboard, so I have shown some example images of different BIOS layouts. You can match your BIOS interface and find the correct virtualization option. Once you find it, simply enable it. Now, as you can see, I have enabled virtualization. After that, save the changes and restart your PC. Once your system restarts, open Task Manager again and go to the Performance tab. Now you will see that virtualization is enabled. If virtualization is still disabled for you and you cannot find the option, you can simply take a picture of your BIOS settings using your phone and share it, and you can get step-by-step guidance on how to enable it based on your specific system. Now open any web browser and search for Google Play Games. Open the official Google Play Games website. From here, click on Download on PC and it will start downloading. This is the official Google Play Games platform for PC provided by Google, so it is very smooth, stable and lightweight. However, for the best experience, it is recommended to have at least a 1 GB graphics card. After the download is complete, run the installer as administrator. You can also choose the location where you want to install it. Then click on Install and it will start downloading additional required files. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you will see this interface. From here, click on Sign in with Google. It will open your default web browser. Simply select your Google account and sign in. After that, close the browser. Now it will show some terms and conditions. Simply accept them. Everything is now set up and you can see that Google Play Games is successfully running on your PC. Now, let's install a game. As you can see, it opens like an emulator interface. From the side menu, you can control the volume, set up key mapping, which is very useful for playing battle royale games. Switch to full screen and also adjust screen resolution and FPS settings. Now let me configure the keys for my game and start playing. As you can see, the game is running smoothly and efficiently. Since this is an official platform from Google, you may occasionally see some ads, which is completely normal. If this video helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more latest and interesting tutorials. Thanks for watching.